Want to change profile picture in X? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the X app on your device. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now log into your account. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here you will find a couple of options. Go ahead and select profile. Now you have the option of edit profile. Go ahead and select that. Now over here you want to tap on your existing profile picture. Here you will have two options, take photo or choose existing photo. If you want to take one, simply select the first option. If you want to choose an existing photo, go ahead and select the second option. Now you want to choose any picture from your gallery, then adjust it however you want. After that, tap on the use option at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on save. After you have saved it, give your page a refresh and you can see that your profile picture has now been successfully changed. If you found this useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.